Hi, I'm Faith, and today is day 3 of 31 beginner baby steps for getting your home and life in order. Today, we repeat the baby steps that we already have done the previous 2 days, which was step number 1 to get dressed to shoes. That was the step that we did on day 2, but I already changed something about that step. I quit getting dressed to shoes. Instead of getting dressed to shoes, I'm going to get dressed to socks. I tried wearing clean shoes inside the house yesterday and I didn't like it. I did feel taller and a little more energized to get the day going, but I have a puppy that I had to take outside for potty breaks throughout the day, which meant that I was constantly taking the indoor shoes off to put the outside shoes on, and it was getting a little annoying. So at one point I just gave up and I stopped wearing indoor shoes inside. Step number 2 is to keep a shining sink. I'm not sure if Flylady wants us to shine the sink every time we put a dish in the sink. I personally set myself a routine that after breakfast, lunch, and dinner, I will make sure to wash the dishes and give the sink a quick shine before I go to bed. My kids love eating snacks between meals, and I personally wait until the next meal to wash everything in the sink. So far, this keeps me on track to keeping a clean and shiny sink before I go to bed, without having to do a lot of dishes at night. The next Flylady's baby step is to start exploring. Go to the Flylady's website. At first, it might be a little overwhelming because she has a lot of good information on her page. I actually read through her website before I started taking the baby steps. This way, I can get familiarized to all the tasks that she mentions. I actually downloaded Flylady's app to my phone. It's nice to read through the app to read about her stories and the Ask Flylady section. The app also has routines checklists, calendar, and a timer. I love reading the information on the app. I don't do the daily tasks that she mentions because we're taking our time with the baby steps, just building one habit at a time. That's all the baby steps that you need to do for day 3. Click the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more homemaking videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye!